This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by BetBards. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has been extremely well maintained, and it shows. Interior features a bright open floor plan with cathedral ceilings, fireplace, and lots of natural light. All 3 bedrooms boast newer luxury vinyl plank flooring, and the main areas feature ceramic floors. New architectural roof installed July 2022, 2.5-ton air handler/heat pump installed 2018. Home is completely wrapped in maintenance-free vinyl siding. Concrete patio for your grilling and entertaining. Once you step into the backyard, a gorgeous pond view greets you and is prime for fishing and nature watching. This home has been freshly painted/power washed and landscaped and is truly move-in ready. All appliances convey. Fantastic location close to shopping, restaurants, and entertainment. No POA. For more information, review the details below.